Today's episode of Dispatch is brought to you by the letter M. Can you think of some words that start with the letter M? Multitude. Very good. Yeah, M is for multitude, like the multitude of swearing you're about to hear. Memories. Yes, M is also for memories, like you're about to see. And of course, M is for mature, like the rating of this game.
And I tried hard just to soften you. And seasons change, but I'm from tired of trying to change for you. 'Cause I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you.
That's for sure.
How's it break?
Oh, that was a great prank. Oh my god. Oh, we pulled the best pranks. He had no idea what a dummy.
She was tight with Sonar. Never understood why. But then again, I don't know a whole lot about demonic shit. That's a thing, right? Like Richie's stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, best to keep an eye on her. The problem with only cutting one of them is now you gotta deal with their pissy friends poisoning the rest of the team.
Come on, Chase. It's harmless. Who doesn't love an office prank?
Me, motherfucker. Don't even think about it. That's why I would've cut them all. Starting with that asshole. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work to do?
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
That one stung a little. Hey, Blazer's looking at backfilling your open spot with Phenomaman or Waterboy. You should think about who you'd want.
One of them is the poster boy of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I missing?
We now go live to the 405 where an unusual scene is unfolding.
Shit. He looks rough.
Can you not do that like that, please?
Sorry. Hey, I was watching that. Oh, sorry.
Looks like there's no wrong answer.
Well, sometimes it's more about the person than the powers. And good thing, because it's the only reason anyone gave your sorry ass a job.
All right. It wasn't that funny. Protopulse test 7, pilot ready. We good out there?
You can talk, I can hear you.
Oh, we good. All you, Mecha Man.
System power. Simple locomotion. Complex locomotion.
Levels are stable. We onto something, bro. This is it. This is gonna be it. You ever do that move in a fight?
I've never not done this in a fight, Roy.
Oh!
Rotopulse test 7. Failure.
No worries. We'll get there.
Royd, what is all this stuff?
Whole network expect me to process all the confiscated stuff. Cause we the bottom branch for SDN, we catch all kind of shit work, bro.
Did you just give me an up-down?
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only good thing, a lot of upgrade possibilities.
You ever jerk off in this thing?
You low, Vizzy.
I mean, obviously you have, right? I should really be asking how often.
Hey, come on. I gotta work on this.
Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. What's it to you?
Just want to know why the buttons are sticky.
Ah, what the fuck?
She's joking, Royd, in her very specific, off-putting way that she jokes.
You two got one weird energy going on, huh? Can you handle this HR violation some other place? I got work, yeah?
Robert was just leaving.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Shit. Blazer, sorry. You know what? I can come back.
Oh, no, don't worry. I got this thing tonight, and they were supposed to send the dress yesterday. This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's not mine, by the way. They make me wear it, and it's back in a bag by midnight.
What is happening today?
What's that?
What's happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing. Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Why does that sound like a propaganda rally? There.
Thank you. Yeah, it does kind of sound like some sort of fascist-themed prom. What do you think? They were making alterations all morning.
No cause for alarm, but a little bit of your, areola is out. It's like a slight hue shift.
Oh. I don't think I've heard someone say areola out loud before.
It doesn't come up a ton now.
All right, for real now. How do I look? The breakup story is out, so I might be getting more attention than I'm comfortable with.
You look kind of medium pretty, I guess.
Kinda medium pretty, you son of a bitch. That's the meanest thing anyone's ever said to me.
So I just have a thing against obviously gorgeous women fishing for compliments.
I wasn't fishing for compliments. I was asking about the dress.
Oh, the dress is fire. Yeah, the dress is killing it.
I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's gonna be making it. The downtown branch dropped him. Indefinite suspension.
Is that your car?
I don't have a car.
That's gonna be a weird insurance claim.
I'd like for you to talk to him.
Me? Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some perspective.
Like perspective to join the Z-Team? Chase mentioned it.
Yeah. The only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy. And at the moment, it's close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do. Hey, Phenomaman. How you doing, bud?
I have been better, Robert Robertson. The blonde blazer and I have ended our relationship.
Yeah, I heard about that. I'm sorry for your loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun, absorbing all its energy and casting this planet into infinite darkness so that I never have to see her or anyone else ever again. Maybe then I would be free of the torment in my soul. And maybe then I could quiet my mind to these destructive thoughts.
I've been there. Last time I went through a breakup, I drank mezcal till I blacked out. When I came to, I was in a dark void surrounded by the smell of rot, and I was convinced I'd died and turned into a zombie. Turns out I passed out at a urinal and somebody threw me in a dumpster.
Thank you for sharing that. You are sad enough to understand. Do you think there is someone else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe she met a person. An actual person. I am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
Look, Phenomaman, I'm only telling you this because I don't want you hearing it from someone else. I kissed Blazer. Before you incinerate me, it's worth noting I had no idea she was in a relationship.
This happened while we were together? It just gets worse.
No, hold on. She didn't kiss me. She didn't do anything wrong. I kissed her.
So, you are to blame for my sadness.
Maybe, but I doubt it. I'd guess this is something she was thinking about for a while. I'm not that good of a kisser.
I now believe that you had nothing to do with our breakup. It seems the velocity with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Well, shit.
Where's the shootout?
Parking lot. Didn't think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
I had a dream last night that we were fucking. Usually I don't remember my dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
How did I do?
I didn't finish.
Not what I asked. We're talking about me. So this is why you've been acting so weird all day.
I'm doing that thing where I imagine being with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks. You know, like trying on a dress.
You were there.
I could have been. I could be anywhere.
And you chose to be here.
Oh, sorry. I tried not to. I tried not to do that.
Don't worry about it, Waterboy.
The sound.
Bathrooms are for shitting after your first coffee and picking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh! You ruined this for me!
It's... I know. My apologies.
You're a menace.
Can't believe Sonar's gone. This is a load of shite.
He may have been a pervert, but he was our pervert.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well. Strange.
Help us get this stuff out of the dorm, yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
Load the heavy furniture and boxes into the moving truck. Carry the belongings down 2 flights of stairs.
I'm not a homunculus. Who the fuck said that?
I've been hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Malevola, do you know where this church is located? You can take a look and...
Oh, not interested.
Malevola's a perfect fit. Malevola will get extra experience. Send Malevola directly to the Church of Cha'ad to investigate.
After cutting Sonar? No, you're on your own.
Maybe we send someone in, have them pretend to be interested in joining the cult.
I'll take this one.
Join the cult. Entire Z-Team will receive experience. Pretend to be interested in joining their cult. Read through their lies. Learn their true motives.
We have to stop meeting like this.
Us. Never.
Oh my god, hello? Is this SDN? I was driving along the coast and this guy in front of me just drove right off the side into the water.
Resuscitate any survivors if able. If not, rush them to the hospital.
Going in.
Fanging it.
Somebody's about to get burnt. And it's not the me.
Not bad.
It's 3rd and 7 in the UCG red zone, and tensions have boiled over into a full-on fistfight.
Return peace to the football game using your fists. Remove the troublemakers off the premises.
I love a symmetrical stage picture. Coop, can I borrow your mask? I got a date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
You may not.
See, this is why people think you're a bitch.
You're braver than I thought. Fine. Return it tomorrow morning, or I will cut out your tongue.
Say less, baby. I got you.
They want us to drink blue liquid from a chalice as a loyalty test? Pretend to take a sip. Explain your allergic power through it.
I'm confused. I thought that would be more difficult.
Driver is out of the car but isn't responding. Rush them to the hospital ASAP, attempt resuscitation, or fly them to the hospital.
Okay, fly him to the hospital.
Way ahead of you, Bobert. Driver's shaken, but safe. Bitch. On fuego.
Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them? Search through the inbound retro games, identify and disarm the bomb.
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
Unload the heavy furniture and boxes into the new apartment, carry them belongings up 4 flights of stairs.
Make way, baby.
I think that went pretty well.
Hey, this is Jason from Nostalgia Alley. Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them. Can you send someone?
You can ride with me.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
We have to stop meeting like this.
Us? Never.
We need you to send somebody else. This is too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're gonna have to make do.
You sound like my first manager. I fired his ass.
This is feckin' bullshit. We can't be everywhere at once.
Shit, y'all, I can barely even be in one place.
It's clear that cutting Sonar has left us vulnerable.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but Coop has a point.
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, well, Karma's a fucking bitch, huh, Robert?
Which game is hiding the bomb? The wolves inside us. Man Bomber. Jasper's 2.5D Adventure 2, The Return. Not this one. Wolves Inside Us. It was such a great game. It really makes you feel like, oh, right, yeah, we found the bomb. Deactivate the bomb, destroy the bomb. Locked option, flambe required.
Perfect.
Max Synergy Reached. Major increase in success chance when sent together. Plunge up and coupe.
Hey, Ray here. We got another teardown for you. Mind coming down and doing some demo?
Destroy the remains of the dilapidated house. Toss all the debris to clear the area.
Easy enough?
Yeah.
Brace yourselves, bitches. But they can be dudes too. I just mean, you know, bitches as people. I don't see gender. Only people to fuck up.
The CEO of Brand Tech, Millman Brandt, hasn't been seen for days, and the board is asking SDN to do a wellness check.
Only Sonar was here, considering he actually fucking knows who all these assholes are.
Well, he's not, so we're going to have to go check on the assholes ourselves.
You handle this one then. Takes an asshole to know an asshole.
Investigate the CEO's home. Administer immediate medical attention if needed. Be ready to talk him down.
Hey, it's Rory Casey. One of my teachers called out. There has to be someone at SDN who can teach a jiu-jitsu class.
Teach defense guards and grapples. Lead sparring drills, ground fighting. Assist with reflex development.
Yeah? Damn, dude. How'd you get an ass like that?
Hella squats, girl.
Ugh, I was afraid you'd say that.
I think I'm done here.
You're clocking out early?
Mate, cut me if you want, but I'm out.
Okay. Nobody saw that, right? I'm in the clear.
If anyone needs some more hands-on training, I'll be in the gym until the end of the shift.
Too easy.
He's a mind reader. She has X-ray vision. Together they are the ultimate invasion of privacy. Oh, sorry, is this SDN? We need help.
Protect the couple from each other. Send someone good with people to defuse the situation.
Let me at him. I say, we let him fight it out.
Tried to do it ourselves, but then I remembered my motto in life. Why do it when you can make someone else do it for you?
Assemble the furniture using the instructions provided.
cleared everyone out already, but like, someone called us about a bomb in one of the theaters?
Go theater to theater to locate the bomb, identify and disarm the bomb.
Sometimes I look at a tree and think, I could burn you down. You're not better than me, tree. You know, they just have like a superior vibe about them.
We need backup. Dozens of youth just started rushing us and looting the shops. Catch as many looters as possible, detain the miners, but do not use force.
You got it, bud.
It's time for Phil's walk. What? No, Phil's my dog. Can you just, like, walk him around the park?
Walk Phil the dog to the nearby park. Phil is deceptively strong and pulls hard. Be careful.
The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand.
Hero power training. Pirouette. If Coupe is sent on a call that fails, she will re-attempt it. Or a la seconde. If placed in the first slot, Coupe now gains +3 combat. If placed in the second slot, she now gains +3 mobility. Which movie theater should we start searching first? The Y-Man. Altered Egos, Standing Alive. This one's clear. The bomb's in this Standing Alive theater somewhere in the air conditioning vents. Crawl through the vents, activate the AC to freeze the bomb, locked option punch up required.
You win some, you lose some. Sometimes you lose some more than you win some.
Things are definitely getting heated. Looks like they're about to tear the place apart. Lighten the mood, force them apart. Locks option prism required. Activate sprinkler system.
I know a way to cool them off. Damn.
Put some extra hair on me chest, that did.
I only travel through alleyways and shadowy underpasses.
another one.
On my way.
Fine. Typical. Phenomaman's still on the 405, just past him. He's gone from shaking his fist at cars to sadly directing traffic.
Well, at least he's putting his newfound pain to use.
I had no idea Blazer was such a heartbreaker.
Is that surprising?
I'm just impressed. Didn't think she had it in her.
Maybe you shouldn't be so quick to judge people.
Gross. You sound just like her.
You calling me a heartbreaker?
In your dreams. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Watch me burn.
Hey, it's Jerry from Comic Pug. We got a gift of some Mecha Man replicas, but with all the bomb threats going on, we just want to be sure.
Evacuate all civilians from the store. Inspect the suspicious Mecha Men.
Where do you need me?
Nothing beats the original, but this will have to do.
Which Mecha Man contains the bomb? Mecha Man Prime, Mecha Man Astral, Mecha Man Blue. It was the mini Mecha Man Prime. It's flying around the shop and blasting. Stop it before it detonates. Jump on it, remove its controls, hit it with all you've got. It can't hit what it can't see.
I'm stacking mad dubs today, baby.
And that's lunch. Thank fuck.
Ugh, great. I'ma drink my spicy water.
Still working on that?
Hmm?
Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
All yours. Take the whole thing if you want.
Awesome. My lucky day. I know what's for lunch or dinner. Probably. Now. Sorry, for interrupting your meeting with Invisa.
Oh, god damn it. You threw my noodles away? My initials were literally on the box and everything. Fuck!
I don't read things. Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want the fucking trash noodles, wet fart boy.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Whatever, it was an accident. Just aim your dick up and water piss it off. That's not... You...
I'm gonna go rinse off.
How would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with shit all over you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen. Because I'm not a fucking idiot food thrower awayer.
It was an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it. You want this in your report?
What, you're gonna snitch on me? You're just being a soft bitch about it. Bully? How am I being a bully? In If it's in my hair, I'm going to fucking kill you.
Well, I got bad news for you.
Hey, Robert, could you... Oh, you have stuff on your face. What happened here?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe accidentally made a mess.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you should probably go get cleaned up, then, you know, accident or not, wipe up this mess you made.
Yes.
Okay, whatever that was. Listen, Robert. Jesus. Anyway, you talked to Chase. Who's it gonna be? Phenomaman or Waterboy?
And these two are my only options.
For now, yeah. Obviously, we can revisit it, but Waterboy is already a trainee, sorta, and you already know Phenomaman got cut by DTLA. Thanks for getting him out of the parking lot, by the way. It might also help to get, you know, an actual good person on your team, which I'm positive both of them are. They just have other issues. And Phenoma's an alien, not a person.
Let's go with Waterboy. I think he deserves a shot, and he seems shockingly more stable than Phenomaman at the moment.
I hear ya. I might have him take care of this mess before he starts, but yeah, let's go with it. I'll let him know. He really looks up to you.
Does he look up to me, or... Wait, does he know I'm Mecha Man?
Yeah, but he said he won't tell anyone.
I guess that's good.
I'll let him know. You'll see him in the roster for your next dispatch.
Hey, I leave. It's my clothes. They're waterproof-ish.
Yeah, that's gonna clog.
No. I do this. See?
Ah, didn't realize you had a plan.
Blonde, Miss Blaze. She talked to me. Thanks for picking me. I'm just really just to join you.
Jazzed. The word is jazzed, and we're jazzed to have you too, bud. I'm even reasonably optimistic that you deserve it. See you next shift.
Hey, team. We appreciate you doing your best last shift under the circumstances, but we are here to help. More specifically, Waterboy is here to help.
Sup?
Excuse me?
Ain't no way.
He may be new to this, but Robert and I believe he will make a great addition to the team.
This is bullshit.
Good morning, evening, hello.
This is a joke, right?
I don't... Wait. Maybe. Is it a joke?
Nope, Waterboy, it's not a joke.
Oh. Cool, Leo.
We have reason to believe that Mr. Vanderstank's life will be in danger at a meeting today.
Mobilize quickly to stop the assassination, protect William Vanderstank and any others in harm's way, capture and detain the assassin.
Someone need a bit?
I'm what you'd call a multi-hyphenate.
Heading straight there. Right after I piss.
These one-on-ones seem to be really working out. I think I could make this a regular thing.
Let me do my shit my way, cool?
Hero Power Training. Wolfpack. If Invisigal is on the team, XP rewards are doubled. Or Ear to the Ground. With her connections, Invisigal can reveal the number of slots and crime type on hover for certain calls before they happen.
Hey, so we're a little down on new subscribers this month. Think you can spare a hero to do some recruiting?
How the fuck are we supposed to do this?
You could try charming them with your winning personality.
Recruit new SDN subscribers with a cheerful, positive, uplifting attitude.
Wanna dance? Get your hands off that radio. I pick the tunes around here.
I've got a great opportunity to show the sweeter side of your...
I'm on it. No stopping me this time.
Eager Sponge. Waterboy assigns himself when not sent often. He gains +1 to the highest stat for that call. He can only be removed one time.
If you were a civvy, what would your job be?
I feel like working at a gas station would be pretty chill.
I fuck with a pet store.
Yeah, right. You hate pets.
I hate pets with bad attitude.
What pets have good attitudes?
Snakes. They're just chilling.
That is true. Every snake is chill.
I don't mind being a janitor, but I always wanted to be a hero.
Oh, he's got jokes.
Don't quit your day job, kid. This is my job. Day job.
Listen, you tried and you suck. It happens. The important thing is you suck. And you know this now.
The hero to put on a show? We need Terrace the Turtle to beat someone up. For team morale.
Fake fight the mascot during halftime. Make it look convincing, but pull your punches.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna leave a mark. Good. Oh, no, it's bad. Can I have it?
Life trade. Malevola heals one hero when sent on a call together. She then receives +1 charisma or vigor. This affects stacks.
We've tracked down the assassin's temporary base of operations.
Water bitch almost took me out back there.
Is there a return policy on this motherfucker?
Yeah, maybe we get someone who doesn't suck instead?
Sorry for the puddles. It's involuntary.
Ease up, it's his first day.
Gonna be his last day, too.
Well, if he's so awful, show him the ropes.
'Cause some things you just can't teach.
Okay, sounds like quitter talk to me.
You calling us quitters?
Prove me wrong.
It's time to meet the civilians. What's a good first impression? Turn up the charm. Flirt away. Flex your muscles. Lift weights. Locked option Malevola required. No one seems to be interested. What's plan B? Prove yourself in a relay race. Be mysterious. Read a book. Locked option flambe required.
No.
So you finally noticed. I'm perfect. Watch me burn.
This is getting ridiculous. It's time to put an end to this. Take down the located assassins, identify the location of their boss.
This feeling. Don't die, or I'll kill you. Got it?
Next one, then.
Hey, so there's a mini... no, baby. Tiny kaiju on the beach? It's actually pretty cute, but like, where is its mom?
Capture the small mini baby kaiju. It may be little, but it's still strong.
Hello, dispatcher. Would you like to play a little game? Perhaps a brain teaser?
Ugh, I hate this asshole. Careful, he's tricky.
His name's Brain Teaser. How tricky can he be?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
New me? Fucking rocks. Alright, hold up. Am I a kaiju?
Humor the brain teaser. High injury risk. The entire Z team receives experience. Solve his riddles. 3 or its end you will see. Or
I could also just track you down.
Find the brain teaser. Low injury risk. Locate and bring in the brain teaser for questioning. Don't let your guard down.
Have you been paying attention? Answer my riddles 1, 2, 3, and I will gladly turn myself in.
Match my tempo.
Sweet ass.
I want to give you a nickname. What about Caliente?
Ugh, no.
Fine. Horny?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Hey, showing them how we do it big top style. There's a retired SDN hero at Kryptonite causing problems. Can you get him out of there?
Oh shit, Astroman. I remember him when I was a kid.
Poor guy. I've been there.
Really?
Before I joined the Z team, I didn't have a pot to piss in.
He had to borrow one of mine.
Attempt to cheer up and persuade the retiree to leave the bar. Withstand the beer bottles and chairs he throws at you.
Let's maybe not start a war here with an elite assassin organization. Try asking them to leave nicely.
Convince their boss to leave Torrance. If all else fails, strike a deal.
Huddle! Guys, watch. Look out.
Ow, dude, what the fuck?
Sorry. Apologize. It's my fault. Mistake. I get wet when nervous. Malevola, pleased to, go team with, glad to be here.
Robert, you cut Sonar and you replaced him with the fucking wet guy?
That's right.
You know that Sonar could turn into a bat.
I'm well aware.
How is wet guy better than a bat? Well, at least he can lecture people to death.
Looks like the baby kaiju wants to play. Lured into a trap with food, wrestle with the baby kaiju, adopt the baby kaiju.
Oh, dang. That's a baby right there. I know what I gotta do. I'm a dad now.
Fresh as a daisy. Out of me way. Alright, I'll talk to him.
Interesting.
Great, good shift. Shift every, go, Z-Team.
How about you go back to wiping up spills, janitor?
Excuse me.
Oh, shit. Did I do that right?
On fuego.
Ding ding!
Look at you, climbing the corporate ladder.
Performance boost plus SDN pharmacy item plus 1 random point.
Not only did you cut one of their dumb shit criminal buddies, you're also forcing them to work with
an actual good person that wants to be a hero.
I was gonna go with Wet Baby Bitch Boy, but yeah, we can go with yours.
Yeah, let's go with mine.
Hey kid, love you.
Love you too, Unk.
Don't fuck this up.
Hey, Mom. Hey, honey.
Those, they make fun of my issue, my stutter.
Here, hold the beef. It'll help. I don't think it's a stutter.
What? Can you not? It's happening right currently. This very right now. You can't? I'm concerned. I'm worried.
Well, you're second-guessing everything. You do it all the time. I don't think you have a stutter. I think you have a confidence issue. You're worried you're gonna say the wrong thing so you won't finish a sentence. I'm blowing your mind? What are you afraid of with the Z-Team? I mean, seriously, what's the worst that could happen?
I don't know, they call me useless. They call me, I don't know, they think I suck.
See? They say that all the time. You worrying about it didn't stop a thing. So fuck them. Fuck me, fuck everybody. From now on, stop caring what anyone else thinks. It smells very chemically in here. What you watching?
Typecast 2. You spying on me?
Technically, you're still on the clock. Didn't peg you as a rom-com fan.
If I'm on the clock, you shouldn't be pegging me with anything, Robert. That's extremely inappropriate. Especially since I'm usually the pegger, not the peggy.
Noted. Well, tell me how it is. I wanted to see that one.
There's still
At least 20 minutes of trailers. I always forget what I'm watching by the time the movie starts.
Same. You going solo?
I'm a loner, Robbie. A rebel. That and I feel bad asking people to pay when I'm just gonna sneak in. The only lame thing is I can't get snacks.
Floating buckets of popcorn do tend to draw a lot of attention.
Ah, but I miss it. I miss popcorn.
I didn't see the first one. Can you give me a recap?
It's against the law for you to be watching like this.
Actually, it's illegal for you to be filming. I don't need the whole thing, just enough to know what's going on.
Okay, it's about this struggling actress who gets this big role from a movie star that mistakes her for his, like, childhood best friend.
Then he realizes her secret, but it turns out he has a secret too, which could ruin... You didn't hear any of that?
Yeah, no. It's probably fine, though.
So, what are we, like, friends now? Or is this some sort of team-building exercise?
To be fair, I thought we already were.
I haven't decided yet.
Would have been nice to know before I spent $86.
I'm not gonna fuck you just because you bought me a bucket of corn.
Can you just be normal for like a second?
This is...
Like, you first.
This is nice. What were you gonna say?
Do you like Sour Patch Kids?
I fucking love Sour Patch Kids.
Cool. Me too.
I don't think I've heard someone say areola out loud before.
It doesn't come up a ton now.